In this section, we'll be looking at professional telephone etiquette. Telephone etiquette is the set of standards governing how staff answer, conduct, and close a call so that the bank sounds professional, secure, and helpful every time. For rural and field customers, the phone is often the only channel available, and calls are made over weak networks and noisy market lines. Staff must identify themselves and the bank clearly, verify the caller safety, and never request a PIN or OTP. That is the exact behavior fraudsters use. So, the it is required that how we manage call can also prevent us from being scammed or from fraudsters. Key element: answer within 3 rings and greet properly. Don't let the customer call more than 3 times. Even the second and the third, they are not encouraged, but we are saying that under any circumstance, answer within 3 rings is a standard. Identify yourself and the bank clearly. I am Yakubu Musa. I am Yakubu Musa, front desk officer with Giri Microfinance Bank. Or I am Musa, front desk officer with Giri Microfinance Bank. Uh, Thank you for reaching out, and how may I be of service to you? Polite manner. Speak slowly on poor network lines. Take accurate notes and agreed steps. Close politely and honor callback promises. Digital customer engagement. What does it mean? Digital engagement is the use of the USSD, the mobile app, agent banking, and messaging channel to serve, educate, and retain customer beyond the banking hall. Why it matters in Nigeria? Adoption here is driven by USSD code, all those stars, this that will normally press on basic phone, mobile app, agent banking, and instant transfer with SMS and WhatsApp as everyday support channel. Many customers must be walked through enrollment, PIN setup, and a first transaction before they will trust a channel with their money. What are the key elements? Customers must be guided through enrollment and PIN setup. Support USSD, app and agent banking transaction. Answer WhatsApp and SMS within agreed timeline. Teach customers to recognize fraud and phishing. Drive adoption among low literacy customer patiently. Protect customer data in line with the NDPR. Talking of data protection. Customer satisfaction measurements. In customer satisfaction measurements, it is the systemic collection of customer feedback so that service decision rests on evidence rather than assumption. A microfinance bank does not need expensive research, exit question in the banking hall, SMS and USSD prompts, mystery shopping, and a well-kept complaint register will slow exactly where the experience is failing. We show exactly where the experience is failing. Practical application. Track first contact resolution. Run short exit surveys in the banking hall. Collect feedback by SMS and USSD and agents. Review the complaint register for trends. Turn finding into specific service actions. Report complaint statistics to management. This said, we can say briefly that we have looked at customer service excellence and complaints. We have given attention to customer experience management. We have given attention to the necessity for good communication. We are giving an explanation that there has to be uh, methodology to resolution of complaints. There has to be method, there has to be technique for resolution of complaint. Then we looked at if the customer service, if there must be customer service excellent and proper complaint management, there has to be what sound help desk operation. We talk about escalation. People must be able to escalate issues so that it will be confronted and faced headlong. Are we together? Then there is service recovery strategy. There is customer retention. There is professional telephone etiquette. There is digital customer engagement rather, and there is customer satisfaction measurement. If we want to listen to complaints, let us also know how do we know that we are doing well in managing those complaints. That's customer satisfaction measurement. Thank you very much for your time. In the next video, in the next video, we'll be looking at a different matter altogether. Thank you for your time, and your patience is appreciated.